Hello everyone. For our next item, start off by drawing the sun. We will be drawing different types of sun. So for our first type, we have drawn the one where the rays of the sun is made out of sticks. For the second type, we will make the rays of the sun out of pebbles. For the third type, just draw an outline for the rays of the sun. For each of these suns, add a face and cute expressions to make it look better. So for the fourth type, we will be adding the rays of the suns made out of triangles. Now for the fifth type, draw little spikes to signify the rays of the sun. Once again, draw a cute little face and color it in as you like. Next, draw some curves and a swirly to make a different type of sun and color it in as such. Next, we will be drawing a new type of house and a new natural scenery. So draw the top of the house, an attached roof, and make it look as though the house is on hills. Then draw squiggly lines on the roof of the house to make the house have layers. Draw a circular window, add a door, add bushes, and add a fence to the house. Also add some circular windows and some square windows and add a pathway to the door. Next, add branches and different colored trees outside, some smoke out of the chimney, birds to the sky, and color it in as you please. We have chosen red for the roof, and now we will be coloring green for the grass in different colors. We will be drawing fish out of the numbers 2, 3 and 4. We will be drawing a puffer fish out of number 2 and do as follows. Add the fins, the mouth. For number 3, we will be drawing a triangular fish once again. So draw the fins as such in another triangle. For number 4, we will be drawing a more common fish. Add the fins as such, and there you have it, your new fish. So for our next drawing, we will be drawing a different type of nature house scenery. So first start off by drawing the branches of another type of tree and draw lines to signify the leaves of that tree. So next what we will be doing is drawing a curve to signify where that pathway ends. Next, draw the shape of the house. So draw the roof, draw the door of the house, draw the windows, and add some details to make the house look even better. So we can add the grills to the house. Next, add the smoke chimney and show that smoke is coming out of the house. Add some lines, some squiggly lines to the roof of the house to make it look like the roof has layers. Next, add more trees beside the house. Proceed to color it in as you please. Thank you for watching.